Nobody knows. Asia's black, basically.
I'm not trying to claim. I'm not trying to claim. But
Oh, your credit gonna go bad if you do.
but Marc still got mac and cheese going over there.
Yeah.
He's like,
He's struggling.
I just plateaued where he
Man,
is.
hey, you better eat. Put some meat on your bones.
Wait, who's seen it? First of all,
I've only seen the Disaster Artist.
I couldn't get past the first 10 minutes of this.
I've never seen any of
Let's
this.
turn me apart, Lisa.
because it's bad.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so bad.
Last minute change. Who wants to change the movie?
How did he have money to do this?
Porn, off-the-core nude modeling, his jean company.
Like, who paid him for that, though?
Johnny, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah, this looks like shit.
And it's out of sync too.
I would do anything for my girl. Oh, hi, Danny.
Danny. Smash cut.
Danny, do you have something else to do? Two's great, but three's a crowd.
Oh, man. He looked like he pick up women in the tampon aisle.
I feel very uncomfortable. Okay, so since you guys are all like film students,
So high.
is the are sex scenes really sex scenes?
It really depends on the movie. Sometimes there's unsimulated sex scenes, but most of the time it's simulated.
I don't love him anymore.
Why don't you love it?
Boring.
Well, you've known him for over 5 years.
Is this like literally the same day?
This whole movie is, Johnny's such a nice guy. He's so great. He's so
Yeah,
good.
it's like a lot of ego stroking.
It is.
Man.
Well, if she wants to leave, then bounce, bitch. Shit.
She wants to control my life.
Damn.
I'm not gonna put up with that. I'm gonna do what
I'm
I
gonna
wanna
kill
do,
her.
and that's it.
What would you do if you were hired for like this movie? Like, what if you like got on set and like you were supposed to like direct this? Or
I mean, we've been on some pretty bad sets,
That's
honestly.
true,
It's been
yeah.
similar to this.
this
so.
bad?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's like, you want to see my shoulders? That's sexy, right?
Lover, boy.
Yeah. When was this recorded?
Like early 2000s.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It looked like two hamsters
Stay like
fighting
that.
over a water bottle. That little thing they
Like
drink
when they're
out
like, yeah,
of.
here goes another one.
How many of these are there?
Yeah, we're at like 50 minutes in, and there's already like 2 sex scenes.
And they look like they're like Cinemax, like
I know.
softcore, like
looking
yeah.
kind.
It seems like a lot of necking. Not a lot of like, butthole, finger in the ass. That's not boring. Finger in the guy's butthole. Ew.
She's like sitting straight up.
We shouldn't do this anymore, and then we make
Yeah.
out. Oh, ugh.
Half Canadian bacon with pineapple, half artichoke with pesto and light on the cheese.
Ooh.
So she's got to go. She's got to fucking go.
Putting pineapple on pizza is a disgrace, man.
Exactly. Also, can you go the fuck home? Like, why are you over here all the time?
Can I kiss you?
This is like
That.
Just kidding.
He
I
look
love you,
creepy.
Johnny.
Look at him.
and we're like clothes that fit.
Yeah. He looks homeless.
He looks saggy.
Why is the TV behind the chair?
Furniture. Wow.
You're right. The computer business is too competitive.
The computer thing.
You want me to order?
Is it Hillary?
Yeah, he's in banking, and she was talking about
I didn't see her
job.
do any one lick of work. She just fucking everybody. Like, what kind of business? Is that what they call it these days?
Computer business.
Drink.
Oh, nah, she Bill Cosby.
I like all the sound effects he's making.
Well,
You don't love him, but you're throwing him a surprise party?
I don't.
Sounds like a lot of work.
I got the results of the test back.
How are you gonna just drop
I
that?
definitely have breast cancer.
Don't worry about it. Everything will be fine.
You don't know that.
And they never address it again.
Johnny is your financial security. You can't afford to ignore this.
Yeah, the computer business.
It's too competitive.
It's competitive.
Not just eat the shit regular. You don't gotta do all that extra stuff.
Put it on your neck.
This isn't doing anything for you.
I have to go home.
Okay.
Why did you even come?
I have breast cancer. I can't stay too long. I have breast cancer.
What kind of money?
I owe him some money.
What kind of money?
Everything is okay.
American
He's
money.
gone.
Yeah, like what do you mean?
What kind of drugs do you take?
It's nothing like that.
What the hell is wrong with you?
No, they have a sex scene.
I used to know a girl. She had a dozen guys. One of them found out about it, beat her up so bad she ended up in a hospital on Guerrero Street.
Funny.
What a story, Mark.
Yeah, you can say that again.
Yeah, you can say that again.
Domestic
He was
violence.
my best friend. And I
Sometimes
just can't
the
figure women
background
out.
is like more in focus
Sometimes they're just too
than
smart.
the foreground is.
She looks great in a red dress.
What's she talking about?
It's girl talk. I just told you that.
Ooh, damn. She hella switched it up.
You are tearing me apart, Lisa!
Why are you so hysterical?
Do you understand?
Why do you keep pushing her? He's like, I didn't hit you. I only pushed you.
Let's go.
They play ball in their worst place.
He's wearing Jinko pants.
Let's go home, Danny.
This guy's very sensible.
to a bigger place, man. I'm making some good money.
Mark, do you remember the one with big tits, the blondie one? The one with the bridal gown with the sign.
Oh yeah, can you marry me?
I thought that was fun, eh?
I never ate so much.
Yeah, the barbecue chicken was delicious, right?
Hella shitty ass story. He showed up to San Francisco with 2 suitcases and a $2,000 check. And he went to the YMCA.
Oh, hey.
Want some? It's good, bro.
It's good, bro.
No, I don't smoke that stuff.
What is it? Weed?
PCP.
PCP.
Oh, wow.
Wait,
And
where's
so-
this a surprise birthday party?
Yeah. We're not there yet.
What?
That was on Friday.
So he's getting married, then he's having a surprise birthday party?
Hello parties, yeah. Let's play ball. Right before the wedding.
Peter's like, I'm an adult.
Everyone wants fucking cheesecake with their coffee. I never even heard of that combination at a coffee shop, but that's some San Francisco shit, I guess.
Nobody explaining the fact that they was in tux. Next scene, they not. Where were they going in the tux?
She really likes missionary.
And she's complaining about being boring, right? Like, he's boring.
That's the third time we've seen her have missionary.
This girl loves to have her tits out. Can we see some dick or some, like, ass or something else?
Speak for myself. I ain't trying to see nobody else's pet.
Well, you can look away, okay? This needs to be an equal opportunity film.
I ain't trying to see no pet.
I'm just like, dude, I'm tired of seeing this lady's tits. That's all I'm saying.
Look at that, man. He ain't got no stroke. No.
We literally just had a sex scene. Please,
Yeah.
no.
This is the part of the computer business is to, like, be at home all day and
More
clean.
from life than what Johnny can give me. So what? You can learn something from me. You have to take as much as you can. You have to live, live, live.
You have to live, live,
I
live.
don't want to talk about it.
Oh, hi, Claudette.
Oh, hi.
Bye.
She has breast cancer. She has to show out.
Nah, mom, so she been hoeing for years. She got sugar daddies on sugar daddies.
She on Marc and
And she the original.
Live on love. You need financial security.
Look, she hooking her daughter up on game. What? She lacing her daughter up. That's how you know mom's on.
Be like me.
Be like me.
You need to get the man with the benefit.
Marriage has nothing to do with love.
Johnny's okay.
See, mom's hooking her up.
Damn, mom's a savage.
Mom's lacing her up on game.
Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. I post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat. Catch you on the flip side.
No one's speaking English. They're just like,
They're like sim talking.
I hate that guy so
I am
much. Oh my god, I hate him.
such a frat boy.
Yes. Oh, I hate him.
I have something.
Her hair looks so bad.
Leave your stupid comments in your pocket.
Whoa.
In your pocket.
Leave your comments.
Understand what you're doing?
Stupid comments in your pocket.
You're going to destroy John.
That's it.
Beautiful party. You invited all my friends. Good thinking.
That's what you do for a party. That's what you do for a party, you jackass.
Oh man.
So that guy on the left, that's supposed to be Peter, the friend with the glasses.
How do I get this? Like,
But
the psychologist?
yeah, but the actor stopped showing up because he didn't like this.
There is no baby.
That's hella funny.
So they just put a different
Added a random guy.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm sitting on an atomic
She's drinking
bomb waiting
alcohol.
for it to go off.
She's lying about the baby.
There's no simple solution to this.
Or she's a bad fucking mother right
You guys
now. She
worry
said, fuck
entirely
it,
too
I'm
much
gonna drink.
about me.
She's really like.
And now they're just on each other at.
Let me show you.
Party.
That's her mom right there.
What the fuck?
Man, this would get you murdered. Like,
They just shook on it though. I thought it was all good.
They redid the scene 2 different times.
And they're like, which one do we use?
I don't know. I like both.
Try, you're not good. You're just a chicken. Chip, 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 chip.
Her hair's like slowly getting more and more curved.
I think that's the idea. You know, it's a symbolism.
True.
In a few minutes, bitch.
Oh.
What are you calling a bitch?
Don't act like you don't know.
Stupid mother.
You and your stupid mother.
Man.
Damn. A game for the mom?
But the mom likes you.
Yeah, the mom has been supportive.
yeah, because she's trying to gold dig, that's all.
Why don't you ditch this creep? I don't like him anymore.
Dude, the sucker, man.
I
I would have shot everybody, dog. Bruh, you ain't gonna disrespect me like that in my crib, man.
I gave you 7 years of my life,
Wait, I thought it was 5.
and you betrayed me.
I guess 2 years have passed since the beginning of this movie.
Yeah, there's been 3 bridge crossings. So.
Each sex scene is 6 months.
It better be.
They do last that
This is all
long.
within 1 week. I'm like, this is a lot.
Because at the beginning, they were talking about the surprise party on Friday. The surprise party just happened.
Oh my god. This house. This downstairs area. Is he crying?
Yeah. It's sad. This is so sad, man.
Big fruit.
Kill Denny. What if he killed Denny?
I love that all the moments that he remembers of her are in bed having sex. Like, not like the wholesome times, just them having sex.
God, forgive me.
Everything will be alright.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Oh, this is the drug dealer's gun. So now the drug dealer is like implicated in some shit that
He said, Daddy, I got you. I'm gonna take care of you. And he did.
Is he dead?
You did this.
My God, Marc, is he dead?
What?
Oh my God.
Man, we need to get Chris R back.
Where's Chris R?
He's gonna come back into the story. You gotta start selling drugs
Hey,
again.
Chris R gonna come in clutch. Hey, I got the cure to everybody's problem.
Cut already.
Chris R.
Chris R.
Yeah, look him up.
Everybody has like a regular name, and then he's Chris R.
Chris R.
Wow. So why is it called The Room?
Because the whole movie
I guess that's where he killed
In
himself.
one room,
Well,
basically?
his reasoning is so many personal things happen in the room. So
The room, like a room, any room.
yeah, in the bedroom. That's what he means.
I'm surprised it took till 2017 for like somebody to remake it.
Because everybody else was embarrassed and their career was on the line. That's why.
No, it's clearly a comedy, so I mean,
Yeah.
like, I'm surprised this wasn't done before.
I mean, it is the worst movie.
It is the worst, best
The
movie
best,
of all
worst
time.
movie.
The best, worst movie. That's actually a documentary of another movie.
So I felt like watching Disaster Artist was really painful. Like, I turned it on and I didn't remember exactly what it was supposed to be about. And then once I started watching it, I was like, what the fuck is going on with this movie? So it wasn't until after the movie when I Googled it, like, what, I was like, legit, like, what the fuck?
It's literally like a student film made as a feature film.
Yeah.
You know, that's what it basically is.
If it's like if students had the money to make
actually make a feature film. It's funny because it's also like shit we've saw, you know, like in a way, like shit we've
That's
seen.
why I think it's funny because it's like it reminds me of like old ass.
Yeah. So it's stuff like that.
All right, so The Room, good or bad, everybody?
Oh, totally bad.
I liked it.
It was a good, bad movie.
But you had fun watching it, right?
It was a movie to
Yeah.
show you what not to do.
It's
Yeah.
like
That's a
Watching
good
that
learning, exactly, a learning tool.
That movie was hard to watch.
Yes,
As
I
someone with
agree
the
with
name
Marc.
Mark.
Every time they said Mark, he's like,
My favorite scene?
anybody.
Motherfucker.
The fight scene between the two of them.
The second fight scene in the first
Which one should we
Both.
choose?
The fact that there was two.
Yeah.
Like first, I would say the first one because his like sleeve was like all the way up here,
But
and then they like shook on it after it was like very
sorry,
clear
Mark.
they were having an
Sorry.
affair. I'm like, okay, fine, we're good. And then they legit fight again.
I think my favorite scene was either when they all suddenly meet up in like this alley to play ball.
The frat guy. The frat guy. And then him
They all
and
start
Benny.
showing up.
Just showing up to the trash can.
Or when Johnny's telling the story of how he met Lisa. That was
The two suitcases.
Oh, that guy,
well,
that frat guy is the worst.
I have no money.
Yeah, he's worse than Tommy.
Yeah,
Tommy's forgivable.
What would you rate this movie?
I didn't know what the fuck they was talking about.
Two?
No idea what's going on.
Wait, what's our scale?
I don't know.
Experience, like
We grade
you
on
have
the curve.
Like just because it's a bad movie doesn't mean you had a like bad
Oh, yeah.
experience. You know?
So experience, I mean, well, we're all together, we're all like heckling. 10.
Yeah.
100%. But if I had been by myself, it would have been negative.
You can't
2.
watch it
You probably would have turned it
I would have
off.
passed.
It was
out
hard to get
myself.
through Disaster Artist not knowing what I was looking at.
You should watch it again now that
Yeah.
you've seen this.
The only reason why I stuck with it is because I was like, okay, there's hella people in here that I know, and I just didn't understand, like, well, what the fuck is this movie?
What is happening?
Yeah.
You're gonna have some good
So
commentary.
story 2, experience 10, acting.
Oh, God.
That was terrible.
Negative 75.
Negative 75.
Oh, that frat guy? Oh, his
Frat
face
guy.
was so
His mouth
annoying.
was so big. If you have a lot of money, doesn't mean you can make something good.
I mean, he stuck to his vision, so
Yeah, which is
That's the
respectable.
thing, though. That's what I like about the disaster
So
artist.
he's an artist.
he is.
The disaster artist.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah.
It was definitely an experience. I hope you felt the same way.
Exposing Hillary to new movies.
Yeah.
The series, it continues.
Anywho, thanks for watching, guys. We will catch you guys later. Bye. Yay, we recorded some shit. Yay, we recorded some shit.